Hello YouTube. Welcome to the Smart Auto Hack channel again. I'm gonna be showing us today how to remove the external door handle. That's this one for a 2020 Hyundai Elantra. First of all, what's you're gonna do is open up the door and unplug this cover right here. Unplug the cover, keep it in a safe place. When you look into this hole, you're gonna see that bolt there, this one right here. Gonna take that out. You take out this bolt right here. It's not gonna come out, but just use a star screwdriver, unscrew that. Once that is unscrewed, that should loosen the base there. So once that is done, now because there is a if you look around there, you're gonna see some rubber that holds this bolt in. Those who don't let this come out, what you're gonna do is get a plier, a nose head plier like this one in my hands. Just use it to clip it and just pull it towards you so that it will free this thing right here.